In this video, we shall discuss on the ordinary least square, and we are given the regression model to obtain the normal equation. For the ordinary least square, the goal is to find the vector b that minimizes the sum of square errors. So solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we have y to be equal to x b plus e. Of course, we know this is our response variable. This is our design matrix. Why this is our function and this is the error. So the goal of the ordinary least square is to find b that minimizes the sum of square error. So for me to do that, we make e the subject first. So making e the subject, we have e to be y minus x b. Also, we have that our vector is equal to our sums of square error, which is equal to E transpose E. So it then means that we socket whatever we get as our error into this. So we have this to be y minus xb transpose y minus xb. So this is our objective function. This is our objective function. Like we said, the ordinary least square, the goal of the ordinary least square is to find the vector that minimizes the sums of square error. So it then means that if we move over to this side of the board, it then means that our objective function is equal to E transpose E, which is equal to y minus xb transpose multiplied by y minus xb. It then means that our objective function is equal to y minus xb transpose into y minus xb. So expanding this, we have our objective function to be equal to, now we say y multiplied by y. Since there is transpose here, we'll have y transpose y. This multiplied by this, we'll have minus y transpose xb. Also, this multiplied by this, we'll have minus b transpose x transpose then y, minus this multiplied by this, we have b transpose x transpose xb. So this is what we get. Because this multiplied by this, we get a positive sign. Now, the next thing to do, if we watch out, we'll see that this is a scalar. We'll notice that y transpose xb is a scalar. So when we say it's a scalar, it means that that is a one by one matrix. So this is a one by one matrix. So it then means that the transpose of a scalar is itself. So we have that at the back of our mind. The transpose of a scalar is itself. it then means that y transpose xb is equal to y transpose xb transpose, which is equal to b transpose x transpose y, because this and this will give us ordinary y. So if we watch at this and this are identical, this and this are the same thing. So it then means that we have at the middle, we have an identical items there. So we can rewrite this. We can rewrite our objective function. For you to rewrite our objective function, we move over to this side of the board to do that. Remember, we are asked to derive the normal equation. That means we are asked to find the estimate of b. What will it give us? So we move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So since we have an identical items from our objective function, we can write our objective function, which is SB, to be equal to, because it means that this and this are the same thing. That means this is equal to this and it's equal to this. So we can write it as y transpose y minus b transpose x transpose y minus b transpose x transpose y plus b transpose x transpose x multiplied by b. So since we have an identical item here, we can write y transpose y minus 2b transpose x transpose y plus b transpose x transpose x then b. So our objective function is this. Now, we are looking for a way to find the estimate of b. How do we obtain the estimate of b? That is what we are looking for. The next thing to do is to differentiate and equate to 0. For we to minimize any function, we differentiate and equate to 0. So like I said earlier, that our goal, the goal of the ordinary least square is to find the vector. That means to find the vector which is b, that minimizes the sum of square error. So we can recall that before we differentiate this function, we recall that from matrix calculus, we have that if we differentiate a function of this sort, A transpose B with respect to the B, we get A. Also, if you have something like this, if we differentiate B transpose AB with respect to B, we have 2AB, provided X transpose X is symmetry. Provided X transpose X is symmetry. Because we apply something like this in this case and also in this case. So now, we'll now differentiate this. We take the differential with respect to B here and equate to 0 for we to obtain the vector B. So for we to do that, we move over to this other side of the board. We move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we say obtain to obtain B estimate, that means which is our vector, we differentiate this function with respect to beta. So we have the derivative of our objective function, which is SB all over B. If we take the derivative of this, of course, if we differentiate this, we get 0 because there is nothing like B that is attached here. So we have 0 minus, if we differentiate this function, what do we get? We get, of course, B transpose will go. We have 2x transpose y. If we differentiate this function, we get, from what we have here, we get 2x transpose x, then b. Now, it then means that our objective function will be equal to minus 2x transpose y plus 2x transpose x, then b. So we say equate to 0. Equates to 0. Equating this function to 0, we have negative 2x transpose y plus 2x transpose x b, which is equal to 0. Of course, this can move over to this other side of the board. So we have negative 2x transpose y to be equal to negative 2x transpose x, then b. We have this. Now, we are looking for b, vector b, that minimizes the sum of square error. What do? We move over to this side of the board to write it as copy. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we can write this here. We can write what we got. We got 2x transpose y to be equal to negative 2x transpose x, then b. Of course, this will cancel this. This will also cancel this. So we can write it as x transpose x b to be equal to x transpose y. So making b the subject, it now becomes the estimate. B here becomes our estimate that minimizes the sum of square error. So b will now be equal to, of course, this can go, if you divide both sides by x transpose x, you can write x transpose x inverse multiplied by x transpose y, provided x transpose x is invertible. So this becomes the derivation for the normal regression model given. So this is how we can obtain our B estimates, or simply called the normal equation. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.